Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub for sourcing. If you're looking to find talented developers or technical professionals, GitHub is an incredibly powerful platform where you can discover people based on their actual code and project contributions. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once the page loads, log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in so you can access all the search features and filtering options GitHub has to offer. After you've logged in, locate the search box at the top of the page. It's marked with a magnifying glass icon, and you'll find it prominently displayed in the header area. Click on it to activate the search field. Now, type in job-specific terms that match the type of talent you're looking for. For example, if you need an HTML developer, type HTML developer directly into the search box. Once you've entered your search term, press Enter to begin searching. GitHub will return results for both repositories and users related to your query. On the results page, you'll notice a left panel with several filtering options. By default, GitHub might show you repositories, but since we're sourcing people, click on repositories first if you want to browse through projects. This allows you to see what kind of work developers are contributing to, which can give you insight into their skills and experience. Scroll down and browse through the results to get a sense of the activity in this area. If you want to search specifically for users instead of repositories, simply click Users in the left sidebar. This will switch your results to show you individual profiles rather than projects. This is particularly useful when you're ready to identify specific people rather than just exploring their work. You can also refine your search further by selecting a specific programming language. In the left sidebar, you'll see a list of languages. For example, if you want to narrow your search to people working with HTML, click on HTML from the language options. This filters the results to show only users or repositories that primarily use that language. Once you've narrowed down your search, select a profile from the top results to review it in detail. When you open someone's profile, you'll get a comprehensive view of their contributions, repositories, activity, and overall presence on GitHub. This is where you can assess whether they might be a good fit for the role you're trying to fill. In the left sidebar of their profile, you'll often find additional contact information or links to their other social media accounts. Many developers include links to LinkedIn, Instagram, X, or Facebook. You can save these contact details for later outreach or to learn more about the person's professional background outside of GitHub. And that's it. You've successfully used GitHub as a sourcing tool to find and evaluate technical talent based on their actual work and contributions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.